Wow, everyone, we are now over 1,100 PII Inner Circle members. So I just want to say a big thank you for supporting us. It really means a lot to us. So I wanted to make a quick video to go over what this program is all about, how to access it, what it costs, what are the perks and benefits and features. In case you're wondering what it is or thinking about joining, watch this video. I'll go through all of it. And these could be also some great reminders if you're already a member, just to be sure that you're taking full advantage of the PII Inner Circle membership. So let's get to it. So it's very easy to sign up, everyone. You just click on, when you're on any one of my videos, if you just click that little join button, you will be brought up with the membership tab. And you'll see there's two levels to the membership. There's the PII Inner Circle, and then there's the PII Inner Circle Plus. So right now you're seeing US prices, but in Canadian dollars it's $2.99 Canadian for the first level and $4.99 or $5 rather for the second level. So I want to tell you what all the perks and benefits are. You'll see if you scroll down, you see all the benefits for the first level, the PII Inner Circle. So there's exclusive members only videos, members only live streams, a weekly newsletter and opportunity report, real-time stock trade alerts, and the ability to submit questions to me so I could ask the fund managers for any upcoming Q&A videos. If you click on more about the perks, there's also a little bit of details here. So let's go through the first level perks together. So if you sign up, and by the way, you could cancel at any time, by the way. So you could try it out for a month or two, and you could always cancel after within your Google account, within your YouTube account. But once you do become a member, instead of the join button, you're going to see it's going to say instead, see perks. And the absolute best way to access all the perks, everyone, is if you click literally on the name of my channel, you're going to be directed here to the homepage of my channel. And the best way to access everything is to click on the membership tab right here. Once you click on the membership tab, you will have access to know all the videos, when an upcoming live stream is, etc., the reports as well, etc., etc. So let's go through it together. First of all, in terms of the members only videos, the best way to access them, of course you could access them here through membership. Whenever one comes out, it will be reported, just like this one here. You'll see that I did come out with a video. It'll come here in the tab. But the easiest way to access all the members only videos and live streams, everyone, is actually if you click on playlists. If you click on playlists, there's a specific playlist called the PII Inner Circle members only videos and live streams. So if you click on that right here, you'll actually be directed to all of them. So you could scroll through all of them since the beginning. You'll see that there's a video typically followed by a live stream, then another video live stream. So I typically do a video and then a live stream, one a month. By the way, one exclusive content a month, either a live stream or a video. So that is really the easiest way to access all of them if you want to see them all in one place, is the playlist. So in terms of what kind of content, what kind of exclusive content you're getting, well, a lot of them are my family members portfolio unveiled. So my dad recently retired. He has a RIF. This is definitely a favorite one. For example, I keep showing my dad's RIF account here. And lately, I've also included my grandparents' accounts, my parents' TFSA accounts. So you could expect that this is going to be a recurring video in terms of members only, my unveiling my entire family members portfolios. In terms of the live stream, how they work is basically really simple. I give the ability for members to ask questions in advance. So if we just go back here, for example, we go back to the membership tab. I just released, not even a day ago, that I'm going to be doing a members only live stream in a couple of weeks on February 12th. So you will actually see the post here. So I'll declare to everyone the next one is coming on February whatever it is, at what time, and you're able to leave questions for me to answer by simply leaving a comment on the post. So if we look at the comments, you see there's all kinds of comments. These are basically all questions. So you could actually leave a comment, or you could scan the other members' questions and give a thumbs up, for example, if you agree with that question or you really want to see that question answered. And by the way, in case you can't make the live stream, you could always check it out later, everyone. That's very, very important. Just because you can't make it doesn't mean you miss it. You could always watch the replay. So for example, I just opened live stream number 9. Here it is. This is live stream number 9. So typically they're well over 30 minutes. Sometimes they're even over an hour. But here's a trick. So in case you're an existing member and you're watching a replay on a live stream, always make sure to check the video description, because I put the timestamps for every single topic and question, so you could actually scan through the list of questions and I do this for every single live stream. So you could go back to live stream 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. You scan the video description for the topics and questions, and you could forward automatically to the questions and topics that are of interest to you. So that's a very important hack you could do when you're going back to viewing the replays of the live stream. So that's it for the videos on live stream. What about that weekly opportunity report? What is that? The opportunity report? Well, again, you'll see it in the membership tab. If you scroll down, let's check out actually, and I release it every Friday, by the way. So let's check out the opportunity report number 84 so you could see what it's about. This is basically just giving you a little overview of the market, what I feel, if there's any undervalued sectors, but what my upcoming content, what's coming up here. You'll see upcoming videos, if there's any notable news in the investing world. And by the way, I cover the Canadian market and the US market. And another thing that people really, really appreciate is the split share fund report. So for the Brompton and Middlefield split share funds, I actually give you a report every single Friday to tell you which ones are trading at a discount, which ones are trading at a premium, and how much. So if you're like split funds, you're like keeping a tab on them, this is a fantastic part of this report. So again, if there's any undervalued sectors, which funds you could invest in or take a look at to take advantage of that. And again, I do the same thing on the US market if there's any news or anything like that. So think of it like kind of like a weekly report to keep up on the income world. So if you really like those monthly videos, you'll probably like the weekly opportunity report, especially if you like and follow the split share fund. So that's done every Friday, everyone, and you access it here. In terms of the real time, if we go back real quick to the perks here. So we covered the videos, the live streams, weekly opportunity report. Then you have the real time stock trade alerts. What is that all about? Well, again, if you go back, you'll see an example here. So this basically, every time I buy or sell anything, that day I make a post. Where you could see exactly what I've done. So if you don't feel like waiting once a month for my portfolio unveil videos, you want to see what I do live the day of, that is where this perk comes in, the stock trade alerts. And last but not least, this is relatively new. When I have an upcoming Q&A update with a fund manager, you're able to ask questions, submit questions in advance to them, and I take the top question. So here's an example where I had a call with Michael Kovacs to talk about HHIS and their new single stock income shares, right? So you're able to leave a question by leaving a comment, right? And then you could also scan the other questions, you give a thumbs up, and the most thumbed up questions, the most popular questions will get asked. So this is another pretty cool perk where you could actually participate or have your question asked during those Q&As. So that covers the level 1 membership. So for $3 a month, guys, I mean, you do get a lot. So please consider it. I would really appreciate it. But then there is a second level called the PII Inner Circle Plus, which is $2 Canadian more a month. And that includes all the perks from the first level, right? So you get everything the first level will get, but you get 3 additional perks. The first one is $50 off the one-on-one coaching session. And priority booking as well. So you guys know that I offer coaching sessions, right? One-on-one coaching sessions on my website. You could book, you direct it to the calendar here, booking. And first of all, they get sold out really, really quickly. And the price is $325 now. So if you're a second level member, not only do you get $50 off whatever the price is, so you would pay $275 Canadian for the session instead of $375, but you also get priority in terms of booking, because I always let the Inner Circle Plus members aware. I let them know first when the calendar is open. And in terms of how do I get the discount, well, during that post, which of course you'll see here, you'll see it as a post here in the membership tab, there's going to be a special link to give you a custom link, which brings you to the exact same page, but with a discounted price. So that is the first perk, very important perk that the PII Inner Circle member plus members get. So if you plan on, a lot of you plan to book a session once a year. If you do that, if you want to do that, it's well worth it, because to pay that extra $2 a month, because you get $50 off your session and priority booking. The next one is the access to our private Discord channel. So this is relatively new as well. So here is Discord. Discord is a community type of place. So this is kind of like the Facebook group, but even better, because there's only PII Inner Circle Plus members here. So as you could see right now, there's 24 people that are actually on it. 86 are offline. So there's over 100 members in here. And I recently started even doing meetups. So every Thursday there's a happy hour, Thursday at 4 p.m. and even Saturday at 3 p.m. where you could actually join the voice chat, so you could actually talk in person with other hardcore PIIers, and everything is discussed in this Discord channel, by the way, from the latest news to help and advice. So think of it, if you really like the Facebook group, well, this is even more concentrated with more hardcore members, I would say. So very cool, very convenient, and it's very easy to get access to the Discord channel. So you just download and install the application, and once you're in your profile, you'll click on user settings right here, and you click on connections, and what you have to do is add or connect your YouTube account that you use to pay for the Inner Circle Plus membership. So you scroll all the way till you find the YouTube here, you click on this, and all you have to do is enter your YouTube user ID and password. And basically once that's done, you will have a connection, or you will see a server that's called the PII Inner Circle Plus member server, and that's where you could join it basically. So you have to connect your YouTube account that you use to pay for the membership in the connections, and then you'll be able to see right here at the top left the server and join the server and start chatting with everyone. So very easy to do it. So that is another perk of the plus. And then the last one is the priority answers during members only live stream. So remember that during there's a live stream, I do a post in advance. Well, if you're a plus member, because I get sometimes overwhelmed with many questions, the plus members have the priority for their questions. So they for sure will get their questions answered. It's pretty much a guarantee. So that's it for all the perks and features, everyone. I highly recommend you think about it. And again, you could always try it out and cancel at any time. So hope to see you as a PII Inner Circle member soon. And again, thank you so much for those of you who are already members and support us as well. It's much appreciated. Thank you.